Hi students, today we can study exercise 4.2, question number 12. What is question? Using properties of determinants, show that one question given, this LHS have to show that like RHS, that is 1 minus x cube whole square. Then first take LHS equal to determinant 1 x square x x1 x square x1. Then now check it. RHS means 1 minus x cube whole square. Then directly we cannot find out 1 minus x cube, that means 1 cube minus x cube. 1 cube minus x cube we can write 1 plus x square into 1 minus x. Here a square minus b square, so a cube minus b cube, a cube minus b cube. What we can do, that is this formula, a square plus ab b square into a minus b. Same formula if you are applying here, you will get 1 square plus x, that is 1 into x, ab 1 into x plus x square into a minus b, that is 1 minus x. Using this formula we can find out. Then check it. First we need 1 plus x square. How can make in here 1 plus x square? Check it. In here, if you add first row, second row and third row, what you will get? You will get 1 plus x square. In here also same, 1 plus x square. In here also 1 plus x square. Same, isn't it? That is first step. Applying R1. First row we are going to change. R1 we can write R1 plus R2 plus R3. Equal to a determinant R1 plus R2 plus R3, that means 1 plus x square. 1 plus x square. In second column also we will get 1 plus x square. In third column also 1 plus x square. Then second and third row we can write as it is. From first row, what is common? This time common, isn't it? 1 plus x square common. That element we can take outside. 1 plus x square. And remaining 1 x square 1 x. Now we got 1 plus x square. Then what is second part? 1 minus x. How can make 1 minus x? Then check it. If you do C2 minus C1, what you will get? 1 minus x square. In here also x square minus 1. Okay, we can do that. Applying C2, we are going to change C2 minus C1. Then C1 we can write as it is 1 x square x. Then C2 minus C1, 1 minus 1, 0, 1 minus x square. In here x square minus x. 1 x 1 plus x square determinant 1 x square x, then 0. This 1 minus x square, how can I write? That is a, if you are writing in here a square, 1 square minus x square, a square minus b square, isn't it? That we can change a minus b into a plus b, 1 minus x into 1 plus x. So then from this element we can take minus x outside. Minus x if you take outside, what is remaining in here? Plus 1, isn't it? 1 remaining. This minus x I already took outside, then remaining 1. In here what is remaining? Minus, from x square I took x, then remaining x. 1 x 1. One plus x square. From second column, what is common? 1 minus x, 1 minus x. From here also 1 minus x, isn't it? It is 0 only. Then 1 minus x take outside. Then remaining 1 x square x 0 1 plus x minus x 1 x 1. Then next step is applying. In first row we got 1 0. One more 0 you can make. How can you make? C3 minus C1. C3 minus C1, what will you get? You will get 0, isn't it? C3 we are going to change. C3 minus C1. That time equal to, first we can write 1 plus x square 1 minus x 1 x. Then 1 minus 1, that is C3 minus C1, 1 minus 1, 0. Then x minus x square. Then 1 minus x. One x square x 0 1 plus x minus x. In here we need 1 minus x, again one more. Okay, then x take outside. Then remaining 1 minus x. This one 1 minus x. 1 plus x square 1 minus x. From last column we can take 1 minus x outside. Then remaining 1 x square x 0 1 plus x minus x 0, then x in here 1. Then next expand along R1, first row, along R1 equal to, what you will get if we multiply this 2? We can write 1 minus x cube into 1 minus x This is by 1, this is by 0 and 0, no need to do. Just 1 into this to multiple 1 plus x into 1, that is 1 plus x. Then minus this 2, minus into minus we can write plus, and x into x, x squared. 1 minus x cube into 1 minus x into 1 plus x square, you will get same. 1 minus x cube equal to 1 minus x cube into 1 minus x cube, that is 1 minus x cube all square. That is our RHS. Now we can see question number 13. That question also using by properties show that. Then first take LHS equal to 1 plus a square minus b square 2ab minus 2b then what we will do? We need 1 plus a square plus b square. How can make? Then we can do applying R1. First row we can change. R1 we can write R1 plus B R3. Check it now. R1 plus B R3. R1 means 1 plus a square minus b square. 1 plus a square minus b square. Then plus b into R3. R3 means 2b into 2b. Then b into b, you will get 2b square. Then minus b square plus 2b square, what you will get? You will get plus b square, isn't it? That means 1 plus a square plus b square. Like that form you will get. First step is R1, we are going to change R1 plus b R3. One plus a square minus b square, then plus b R3. That means 2 into 2b into b, 2b square. Directly I am going to write. Okay, 2b into b, 2b square. And here also 2ab plus that minus 2a into b, minus 2ab. We can write minus 2ab. The next minus 2b, then plus b into R3. That means what we will get in here? 1 into b minus b into a square, b a square. Then in here also minus b square into b minus b cube. 2ab 2b, then 1 minus a square plus b square minus 2a. In here 2a and 1 minus a square minus b square. Equal to determinant, you can write 1 plus a square minus b square plus 2b square. That is 2b square minus b square, you will get b square. Then 2ab minus 2ab, that will be 0. Then last part, b minus 2b. What will you get? Minus b. b minus 2b minus b, then minus b a square. And here minus b cube. 2ab, 2b, and then in here 1 minus a square plus b square, 2a, and last term 2a, 1 minus a square minus b square. Next, from first row, can you take anything common outside? 1 plus a square plus b square. In here also 1 plus a square plus b square. Then from here, can you take 1 plus a square plus b square? Possible, I think. If you take minus b outside, what do you will get? You can write one more step anyway. 1 plus a square plus b square. Take minus b outside. Then remaining in here 1. Plus in here remaining a square. Plus in here remaining b square. Because minus b already took outside. Then 2ab, 2b, 1 minus a square plus b square minus 2a, and 2a, 1 minus a square minus b square. Then take 1 plus a square plus b square. Take outside. Then remaining in here 1, in here 0, in here minus b. 2ab, 2b, 1 minus a square plus b square, in here minus 2a, 1 minus a square minus b square. Now we got 1 plus a square plus b square. We need 1 plus a square plus b square all cube. Again 2 more we need, isn't it? Then what you will do? Applying. Check it now. In here, second row, R2 we are going to change. How can change? That is R2 minus 2b. In here also we need 2b, isn't it? R2 minus a into R3. Check it now. R2 is 2ab, isn't it? Then in here also a we need. That's why I multiple with a. Then why use minus means 2ab no need. 2ab minus 2ab. Then that will be 0, isn't it? For that we did minus a. Equal to 1 plus a square plus b square, determinant 1 0 minus b. To ab minus to ab, if you do this one, R2 minus a R3. Then in here 1 minus a square plus b square, then minus minus, what will be? Plus. Then 2a into a, 2a square. Then next 2a minus a into 1, we will get a. Okay. Then minus into minus plus a into a square, a cube. Then again minus into minus plus a into b square, a b square. Then third row we can write as it is, 2b minus 2a, 1 minus a square minus b square. Then 1 a square plus b square, determinant 1, in here 0, in here 2b. Okay. Then in here 0, 1 minus a square plus 2a square, you will get a square plus b square minus 2a. Then this one minus b, 2a minus a will get, then a cube, then a b square. Then from here, can you take anything outside? One step we can reduce. A we can take outside, isn't it? Take a outside. Okay. What will be? In here 1, in here a square, in here b square. Directly we can write. Just leave it that way. Okay. Then remaining 1 minus a square minus b square. One minus a square plus b square. From second row also you can take 1 plus a square plus b square, 1 plus a square plus b square, isn't it? If you take outside, that will be, this will be square. Same type. 1 plus a square plus b square. Again one more will come, that all square. Remaining 1, 0, 2b, then 0 in here, 1 only remaining because already we took this part outside. Then 2a minus b. This part already took outside, and remaining a. In here, say 1 minus a square minus b square. For 1 first row, we can write 1 plus a square plus b square whole square. Same. Into 1 into 1 minus a square plus b square. Same. 1 minus a square minus b square. Then this 2 multiple. Minus minus. In here minus is there. Common minus plus. 2a into a, 2a square. Then using by 0, no need to do. use minus b into, just to leave it, 0 into 2a, 0, then next 0 minus 2b into 1, 2b. 1 plus a square plus b square all square. Then what you will get? 1 a square plus minus a square plus 2a square. You will get a square plus a square. Then minus b square minus plus b into 2b, 2b square. 1 plus a square plus b square all square into 1 plus a square minus b square plus 2b square, 2b square minus b square plus b square, equal to, what you will get? 1 plus a square plus b square into 1 plus a square plus b square into 1 plus a square plus b square all square. You will get 1 plus a square plus b square all cube. That is our RHS. Now we can see question number 14, last question in this exercise. Then take LHS. Determinant a square plus 1 ab ac ab b square plus 1 bc ca cb c square plus 1. Then from first row, what is common? We can take a. In here also a is a. A take common outside. From second row b and third row take c outside. Get it? Taking out a, b and c from first row, second row and third row respectively. From first row we can take A, second row we can take B, and third row we can take C. Equal to, you will get A, B, C outside. Okay. Then in here, if you take A outside means remaining A square. From A square, if you take A means A remaining, isn't it? So then plus from 1, if you take A outside means remaining 1 by A. Then only A into A, you will get same 1, isn't it? Then from here, remaining B, in here C. From second row, we are going to take B only. What is remaining? That is A. In here remaining B plus 1 by B. From B square, if you take B outside means remaining B. Then plus from 1, if you take B outside means we have to write 1 by B. Then only B into 1 by B, you will get same 1, isn't it? Then from here, if you take B means C remaining. From here take C, then remaining A, and here B. This one also same, C plus 1 by C. Applying R2. R2 we can change R2 minus R1, and R3 we can write R3 minus R1. We will get ABC R2 minus R1. That means first we can write R1 as it is, first row. There. Second row R2 minus R1. That is A minus A plus 1 by A. Thus minus, if you are giving inside, you will get this like A minus 1 by A. This two cancel, then remaining minus 1 by A. In here B plus 1 by B minus B cancel, then 1 by B remaining. C minus C 0. Then next step is R3 we are going to change R3 minus R1. That means A cancel, then remaining what? Minus 1 by A. Same step. Then in here B cancel, we will get 0. In here C plus 1 by C minus C cancel, then remaining 1 by C. Next, playing first column we are going to multiple with A. That is C1 we can change A into C1. That second column, what will do? We will multiple with B. C2 we can multiple with B. And C3, third column. Third column we will multiple with C. C3 equal to A, B, C into. Then inside we are going to multiple with A, B, C, isn't it? That time we have to subdivide A, B, C in outside. Then only we can multiple with A, B, C inside. Okay. 1 divided by A, B, C. In here, using by A, if we multiple A square plus in here 1. Using by A cancel, then minus 1. In here also minus 1. Then second column with B square. In here 1, in here 0. Using by C means in here C square is 0. Then in here 1. This column, third column we multiple with C. C into C, C square. 0 into C, 0. 1 by C into C, 1 only. In here, ABC, cancel. Expanding along, we can use the second row or third row. Okay, we'll get. If you are using third row, in here plus or minus starting, keep in mind this 2 diagonal. If you make 2 diagonal, this diagonal terms will be start with positive, that means plus, then other numbers will be negative. That means in here start with positive plus, then which number is there? Minus 1 already is there, minus 1. Diagonal elements start with positive. Minus 1, just to cut it, then B square into 0, 0, 0 minus, then C in 1 into C square, you will get C square. Using by 0, no need to, then 1, just to cut it, plus 1, because diagonal element only, then leave it. A square plus 1 into 1, we can write A square plus 1, then minus 1 into B square minus B square. Minus 1 into minus C square plus 1 in 1 no need to write, then remaining A square plus 1 minus plus B square equal to minus 1 into minus, that is 6 plus C square. We can write 1 plus A square plus B square, then minus plus C square. What is this? This is our RHS.